here. Over in Chicagoland, it is 9:14. Market's coming down a little bit since the afternoon close. Looking to me weaker. I'm thinking that we may test the lows tomorrow. Well, maybe rephrase that. Maybe we'll test the lows. Maybe we'll test the upper bands of the lows from Monday, which would take us back into like the $60 to $80 range, 42.60, 42.80. Bond market looks like it wants to make another run up. Today we rallied back a little bit after the close. So I'm thinking interest rates are going to continue to move lower. From what I saw, also food prices, grains rebounded from their sell-off on Monday and look flat right now, but look like they could move higher. What else is out there? Energies, it looks like crude oil is trying to make a new range for itself. It may take a little bit of effort to get it over $70 as we came crashing through it. Natural gas also seems to continue to move a little higher. Looking like we're going definitely to $4, if not $5. Outside of that, I'm thinking lower on stocks and commodities, maybe flat tomorrow. Let's take a look at what the straddle value is going into tomorrow's. What are we at? Week 3, Wednesday expiration?
Well, before we do, I just wanted to focus your attention on something interesting that's going on in gold and silver. Gold, despite all these movements in energies and equities, was still trading about the same range up and down around 1800 level. However, silver
I think you have spreading going on. I was looking at that earlier. Silver broke through. It was holding in the 26s for weeks,
right,
and then broke through that, went through the 5s easy, and now we're in the high 4s, right? Yeah, 48. I mean, and it looks like it's curving. So it could drop to 24, or it could, make a new range down here. But I think there's some kind of gold-silver spreading going on because gold's staying firm amongst Monday's sell-off and today's quietness, and compared to silver just dumping.
Right. So that's kind of unusual. So it's kind of hard to explain unless, as you said, that there's the sell-off in equities was supported by the spreading in a gold-silver complex for whatever reason.
Yeah, or maybe they had spreads on and they're unwinding them now. Something was weird because silver was very flat as gold rallied. It didn't really go with it at all.
Mm-hmm.
For whatever reason, usually when you see something like that where they're not going together, it's usually some kind of hedging that's going on. So, but it's something to keep an eye on as we get to the end of the week because, Bitcoin has been getting weaker. I think last night Bitcoin dipped under $30,000. You start getting that thing shooken up, you might get people putting money back in real items.
Yeah, and there's a lot of lines back on S&P, a lot of lines coming together in 4260, 43 even area below us, and 43, 30, 43, 40 area above, and we're trading right now 43.17. So thank you for indulging these questions.
I agree with you. I think we'll look at metals as we get to the end of the week, but not right now for us. But on the stock side, even though I think we're going to go lower, I still think we got to do something. Volatility, like you were saying before, was 20. It's cut itself in half as we've gotten into the evening. It's down to like a 10 or 11 right now. What is the at the money straddle, please? The $15, it's like 11 and 12, $23. All
right, so we have 12, let's say 12.50 and 11. So it's $23.50, $23.
Okay. So to be safe, let's double it. Let's go 50 up and down. I don't think you're gonna get much, but let's do something just in case it peters out. So that would be 65 and 65.
65 and 75, right?
15 plus 50 is 65. 15 minus 50 is 65.
It is 65.
65.
Okay, my math is.
Don't worry, I haven't slipped on it lately.
Maybe $2. If we are selling gut.
I want to sell the gut just in case I have to hedge tomorrow.
So let's try to see how much we can get for this gut.
It's wide. Let's see.
It's wide.
I didn't understand that.
So, okay, let's see. Looks like we gotta go do call first because market is selling off. Okay. Did 51.50. It's not giving us 51.50 on the put side.
Go ahead. Try 50 and a half.
Working 50 and a half.
Try 50 and a quarter.
It just rains in the summer. It rains more, not all the time.
Not budging on that, huh? 51
Yeah.
and a half.
Let it sit. Crap.
Go ahead, go. Down to $50. $50.
Now it ticked up, so it's not going to give us 50. Oh,
You got it. All right, so 1.5 over on the 65 versus 65 spread.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. I'll watch it overnight. If we go down to 65, we're going to add the, again 65 by 65 with $100 lower. And then remember, we're still holding the open short futures position. So in the event it did go below 65, we're going to use that to get out of our open future.
Okay, very well.
Okay. You have a good night. Please let the other people know what we're up to, and I will speak with you in the morning.
Okay, will do.
All right, good night. We'll post the
Good
video.
night.
Bye.
Bye.